Hello everyone, this is going to be a very short and to the point unboxing. I got my stuff from Ecuagenera that I ordered a little while ago. They were having some sort of a sale, it might have been Mother's Day, and I ordered a couple of other things, and you will see. I will do this really quick. First thing is a Boba macranthum. I did have a macranthum. It was a fairly large one, and I bloomed it a long time ago, a few years ago. These plants are found in Assam, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, Borneo, the Philippines, Papua, at sea level up to moderate levels. It's a small-sized, warm to cool-growing epiphyte with a stout, hairy rhizome that contain well-spaced pseudobulbs that carry a single fleshy leaf that blooms in the spring and fall with an upside-down non-resupplement flower that is fragrant of clove. Then, of course, I got a couple of Ecuageneras, their own clone, Dennis times Dennis. And as you all know, the Ecuagenera is Inequate from Madagascar, as a medium to large size, cooler growing epiphyte with light green stems carrying stiff leaves. It blooms in the spring in northern climates and fall in nature with multiple long inflorescences carrying a single fragrant flower. And the flower can be pure white, and various parts of the flowers can be tinted with different combinations of brown, green, orange, and yellow. Now this one is Angraecum Pseudofilocorno, and Pseudofilocorno is also from Madagascar. Intermediate to warm grower, likes good air circulation, is best grown mounted because of the flower that has a long spur that hangs down. It is a miniature and is grown pretty much the way that the other Angraecoids are. They want to dry off at their roots, but they don't want to stay dry for too long. They want to stay moist while it's the growing season, which is now. And folks, that is my haul, and it was very quick. Hope you enjoyed it, and check out Ecuagenera. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your orchids. Bye.